Hi, I'm Brian Anderson with Coaspire Electronics. Today I'm going to talk about how our engineering helps your design go from design to reality by discussing RoHS and REACH regulations. One of the things that our engineering department does, in addition to design assistance, is provide information on environmental regulations and the substances that are found in COA products. This is especially important with RoHS directives and the REACH regulations. The European Union's Restriction of Hazardous Substances Directive, RoHS, or RoHS as we usually say in English, was introduced in 2002 and has been updated several times since then. In order to make electronics disposal and recycling more environmentally friendly, it restricts the use of 9 substances in most electronic applications, the most important and most common of which is lead. RoHS compliance has become very popular in the electronics industry. Most electronics now comply with this directive. Automotive applications technically fall under a different regulation, ELV, or end-of-life vehicles, but the requirements are very similar to RoHS, and pretty much every RoHS compliant part is usually also ELV compliant. REACH, for registration, evaluation, authorization, and restriction of chemicals, is a more extensive European Union regulation from 2007. It introduces a number of SVHCs, substances of very high concern, whose use is restricted in all applications in the EU, not just electronics. The list is updated, and currently, as of this recording, there are 224 SVHCs, which include the 9 RoHS or ELV substances when they are being used in restricted uses. Between 2002 and 2005, COA introduced RoHS-compliant parts and a new part numbering system that has a designator for the terminal finish. COA parts with terminal finishes that do not include metallic lead are RoHS, ELV, and REACH compliant. There are a few industries, like defense and aerospace, that don't fall under RoHS or ELV. For them, we still offer a tin lead terminal finish. In our current part numbering system, these parts have an L, as in Lima, in the terminal finish area to indicate the presence of lead. If you are using one of these non-RoHS parts in the European Union, it falls under REACH, and it has to be registered with the European Chemical Agency, which maintains a database called SCIP, SCIP, for Substances of Concern in Products. COA's European branch keeps SCIP updated with information on our non-RoHS components, and the SCIP information is available on request. Contact us if you have any questions about environmental compliance or the ELV, RoHS, or REACH regulations. Our engineering team is happy to provide you information on materials compliance and substances used in our parts. By allowing us to provide that information quickly, that allows you more time to get back to your design and help move your concept to reality.